Welcome back to my channel, guys. If this is your first time over here, please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. All right, so today we're gonna talk about NCB, National Commercial Bank in Jamaica. So everybody probably heard by now that Andrea Gordon was arrested. She's the manager of that bank. And I'm gonna read a story right now from the Gleaner. This is coming from the Gleaner. Most people don't like read the Gleaner about that thing, the Gleaner gives some good information now and then. So let me read the story to you people. The manager at the National Commercial Bank, NCB, arrested in connection with a multi-million-dollar fraud, has now been charged. The police say 52-year-old Andrea Gordon of a Kingston address has been charged with larceny as a servant following a series of incidents dating back to 2017. She was charged on Thursday evening after being interviewed by detectives from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. It is reported that between January 2017, so a long time, she had to do this, people, and May 2020, Gordon transferred more than 35 million Jamaican dollar from the bank to her personal accounts. Earlier reports had indicated that the scheme was at $25 million. So people, they thought it was only $25 million that she take and she thief it. She thought it was only $25 million. Come to find out it's 35 million, so 10 million more. The police have promised more information on the case following the conclusion of an audit. Gordon is scheduled to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Thursday, July 23. So people, that's why I tell you, you're in a position where you make a decent amount of Jamaica. Just enjoy your life. Just live your life. You don't need fear do them things, you get locked up, everything you have just gone. You see me? You make a decent salary amount and like what more do you want? Sometimes them people are try to live a certain lifestyle where them can't maintain and can't afford, and this what them resort to. People, in the long run, it's gonna catch up to you. It's not worth it. Just go there, do what you do your normal job, not get none extra, and not take nothing less more than what them a pay you for. You see me? That's why I tell her, like, you can't be in a certain situation and do them things, brother. People say if me get any more information on this particular case, me keeping it updated. But as me always say, stay in a lane. Stay in a lane. Alright. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notification for more videos because I'll be dropping a lot more videos. Bless up.